Hey guys, I'm gonna make this as short and sweet as I can, so let's go! We are reviewing the Gaomon PD1161 tablet, which tablet companies, if you're listening, please stop naming the models like zip codes. I can't remember them, I just can't. Name them something cool like this is the Raphael Pro tablet or something. But anyway, to the actual tablet. This is the smallest pen monitor that I've reviewed so far. The website says that it is 11.6 inches, but the actual work area is only 10 inches across by 5.5 inches tall. And since my screen ratio is a little bit different, I don't even have 10 inches across. So it definitely is on the smaller end. However, those few inches are absolutely packed with pixels. It's got a 1080p display. It's all very crisp, very nice looking. The color is also very accurate to my monitor, and you can adjust the brightness and contrast and such if you want to change it. There are 8 shortcut keys that are reprogrammable. You don't have to charge the pen or replace the battery of the pen because it doesn't have one, which is great, because if you know me, you know I will not remember to do that. So I really prefer pens that don't require charging or batteries. There is no parallax, which is when there's a little space between your pen and the surface when you put it down. So it feels like you're drawing directly on the surface, no parallax at all. There is also no lag except for the normal lag that I have with Photoshop all the time. And also, the screen is not completely smooth. It's got kind of a satiny paper texture to it, which I definitely prefer because I don't like the pen feeling all slippery. Now, you do need an HDMI port or an adapter because most pen monitors do require an HDMI port. This does need to plug into the wall, and they make a bunch of different adapters so that you can use it no matter what kind of outlet you have. The one that I'm giving away has an adapter for American wall sockets. You can enter the giveaway no matter what country you're in. However, if you do not have an outlet that looks like this, then you'll have to get another adapter. So my only gripes with this product are, one, it is very small. However, that's kind of reflected in the price. It's only $240. You would be spending a lot more on a Wacom product. And my other gripe is that you cannot change the pressure curve. Now, last time I mentioned pressure curve, it confused some people because I didn't really explain what it is. This does have pen pressure support. When you press softer, it's going to be a smaller line. When you press harder, it's going to be a thicker line. And you can change how sensitive it is. However, the pressure curve is an extra adjustment that some tablets offer that will help you make it feel more natural to you. Personally, this is a deal breaker for me because I absolutely need to be able to change the pressure curve. However, I don't think most people really care about that. This isn't a personal gripe because I don't use it, but if you utilize pen tilt in your work, this does not have that either. So that's just something to think about if tilt support is something that's important to your workflow. Personally, I don't care. I have reviewed several Gaomon tablets before, and I have never been disappointed by them. I absolutely recommend getting a tablet that's from one of these lesser known companies because the most important thing is just to have the tools that you need in order to do digital art. You don't have to have the state-of-the-art, high-end, best in the business tool. You just have to have something to be your gateway into digital work. Which is why I will also be giving this one away. Because that's just one more person who gets the chance to do digital art who might not have been able to before. So if you would like to join the giveaway, there is a link in the description. All you have to do to enter is to put your name and email, and then you'll be automatically entered in the giveaway. But if you would like some more free extra entries, you can follow my other social media sites. Again, completely free to enter. Doesn't matter which country you're in, I will ship to anywhere. However, if anyone watching happens to have a few extra bucks to throw my way to help me pay for the shipping on these tablets, it will be really appreciated. There is a link in the description to my PayPal in case you would like to help me. Because, since I do offer global shipping, sometimes it gets kind of expensive to send these guys overseas. Thank you so much to people who have already donated to help me with shipping. Thank you to Bigh Sigh, Seda, Sophia Laurenzi, Skeedoodles Art, and all of my wonderful Patreon supporters. And even if you don't have any extra cash, that is totally fine. You can still support me monetarily by watching my videos. It actually legitimately does help to watch and share them. People really underestimate how much it helps, but it really, really does. It's a great way to make sure that your favorite artists can keep doing what they love. But I'm not gonna preach about it more than I already have. The point is, thank you guys so much for watching my videos to begin with. It's kind of amazing, and I'm glad that you're all still here after so many years. I disappeared there for a little while I dealt with some personal stuff, but now I think I'm back, and I will keep doing these reviews and giveaways for as long as I have the opportunity to. So even if you don't win this time, there will be another one. And please subscribe so that you'll know when future giveaways happen. I really hope that you guys don't mind this sort of content peppered in with my regular speed paint videos. I hope it doesn't feel like I'm selling out or something, because I don't get paid for this. I'm legitimately just doing it in order to give them away and to provide you guys with a little bit more information on the world of tablets outside of Wacom. So anyway, that's all I really have to say about it. So thank you guys for watching my videos, and I will see you next week. Bye!